I'm Steve Zoll, and I'm a program manager here at GrayMatter. I have about 30 years experience doing controls work. And one thing I enjoy about my role is how we are able to improve processes for customers. One project we had was a project where a customer added 2 fillers. They added another filler to a line. And they had a lot of problems with the operators understanding how to use these 2 fillers together. They had issues with understanding how much product they had coming to them and how much room they had downstream. So we were able to come in and help them add some HMI visibility to some of those issues. We added some calculations in the PLC that helped them understand how much product they had and how much room they had downstream, and it really helped improve efficiency. It was really cool because we were able to help a customer, and not only that, but they were very appreciative. They actually put a post on one of their websites about this project and how we improved it for them. So that was a very satisfying project.